Hello guys, welcome to the Tech Forest. My name is Bhavesh and today we will see what to do if your pen drive got corrupted and how to recover that pen drive. In my case, when I'm connecting my pen drive with my laptop, it's not showing on my computer page. The second scenario may be you are connecting the pen drive but it's showing for the format, but using a graphic user interface, you are not able to format it. As you can see on the screen, pen drive is connected with the laptop but it's not detecting. So let's see how to fix that issue. Open run and type cmd and run as administrator. Now type disk part, then type list space disk. Here you can see that on a disk 1 my pen drive is showing. Now I'm typing select disk 1 because I have to select my pen drive. Now it's showing disk 1 is selected. Now type list partition and then type select partition 1, then type format space fs is equal to ntfs and press enter. You can type quick. If you type quick in the end of the command, it take less time. Wait for a few seconds. Yeah, it's completed, 100% done without any error. I'm just refreshing the my computer page and here you can see that it's showing the pen drive properly. So guys, here is the way you can format your pen drive if it's corrupted using a command prompt. So if your issue got resolved by following these steps, so as your appreciation, please don't forget to subscribe this channel and like this video. See you in a next video with a new concept. Till then, take care. Bye bye.